Hello everyone. Good afternoon everyone. So I am Ravi S. Pujari, economics lecturer. My YouTube channel Economics Ravi 1776. Dear students, so today we are discussing about 2 marks questions. Okay, so many students are asking for me. So part wise, give me important, sir. So that like we have taken by the first one. So B part, okay, part. So B part 2 marks questions. So you know that B part chapter number 2, it will become for 2 marks questions. Compulsory 2 plus 2, so is equal to 4 marks. Then next one chapter, so chapter number 5, so that chapters came for in the two questions like 2 plus 2, so 4. Then next one chapter number 7, national income accounting. Okay, so national income accounting, so that one chapters also 2 plus 2, it will become for in the 4 marks. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, so is equal to 12. So that 12 marks, it will become for only 3 chapters. Okay, then remaining the extra we have study about in chapter number 9. Chapter number 9, you know that income determinations, that one. So you have only 3 questions. One question also it will become for in the annual examination, and another one question it will came for in the so last one open economy side 1 questions. Okay, so this is the one of the most important for cover for in the 2 marks questions. Okay, so dear students, so today this one video we have taken by the only 2 marks questions in the chapter number 2. Okay, the theory of consumer behavior. So we are discussing only for so 5 questions. Okay, so this one 5 questions it will become for in the 2 question definite in the annual examinations. Okay, so that means we have started with the first one question. So what is the question is there, you know that what do you mean by inferior goods? Okay, give the examples. What do you mean by inferior goods? Okay, inferior goods means already you know that so that is the there are relationship, it is the one of the you know that so that relations, what is the relation is there one side. So an inferior goods is a goods whose the demand decreases. Okay, when the consumer income is rises. Okay, so when the income is rises, so demand automatically it will be fall. Okay, that is the one of the opposite directions or vice versa. So that is the opposite directions, it will become for in the so inferior goods. Okay, so that one goods we are call for in the inferior goods. So for example low quality goods. Okay, low quality goods, you know that unbranded goods like finger mills, foxtail. Okay, so that one bajra. Okay, jawar. So that it will be called for in the low quality of the goods. Okay, unbranded goods. So that one goods we have called for in the inferior goods. Okay, next one, dear students. Okay, what is the monotonic preference? Okay, so what is the monotonic preference? You know that so monotonic means it means that it is a consumer. Okay, it will be how can they prepare that? Okay, so we you know that 4 marks questions, it will be came for in the one that is the indifference map. Okay, so indifference map, you know that one. So we have used for in the helpful for in the diagram. Okay, so for example, so we have assumed that x goods. Okay, x goods and another one y goods. Okay, so there are 2 goods is there in the, so we have taken. So for example, first one IC1 curve. Okay, this is the indifference curve. Then IC2, then next one IC3. Okay, then IC3. So that means there are 3 indifference curve is there. So IC1 greater than the IC2, IC greater than IC3. Okay, so which one we have the choices? It will be higher level of given by the higher level of the satisfaction. So that means we have consideration of in the IC3. Okay, so this one we have assumed that A, next B option, then so this is the C. Okay, then we have the C option, it will be they have the prepare it. Why? So because of it will be higher level of given by the so IC1 greater than the IC2 is there, IC2 greater than the IC3 is there. So that means we have the prepare that the IC3. Okay, that means we have the, so that is the one of the most important of the concept. So that concept we have called for in the monotonic preference. Okay, so what is the answer is there, you know that. See answer. Monotonic preference means that a rational consumer. So this is the word most important. Rational consumer. What do you mean by rational consumer? Rational consumer means that so consumer it will be always the knowledge for in the like so in the market conditions. Okay. So price of commodities and quality, quantity. So such things. So okay. All the prepare that is in the rational behavior of the consumers. Okay. So that is the most important of the word. Okay. So rational consumer always prefer okay more of a commodity. More of a commodity, it means the single commodity. Okay, so one commodity it will be they have the prepare that. Okay, so as it so offer him a so higher level of the satisfaction. Higher level of the satisfaction means so we have the choices that so IC3. So IC3 is the so maximum of given by the satisfaction. That means they have the so given by the importance of IC3 is the so our preference. Okay, that is called for in the concept of a monotonic preference. Okay, so every year it will be came for in the that one questions most important dear student. So this one 5 questions it will be most repeated of hardest of the questions. Okay, so most important for in the annual examination of the this one questions. Okay, then one. So next one questions dear student, state the law of demand. Okay, state the law of demand, it means that we have like assume that so other things being the constant. Okay, or other things remaining the constant are equal. So that is the most important of the one concept. Okay, other things remaining the constant means so suppose so price of goods it will be they have the consideration of in the like a constant, and the market condition also so constant, and it will be not the any problem for in the like in the economy. Okay, so it will be not the any came for in the like wars. Okay, so this is the one of the condition, market condition it will be they have the like so this is the one of the constant. That is the one of the word it will be they have they taken by the that one most important, other things remaining the constant. Then we have the started with the explanation of the in the like that one like a law. Okay, so that law, so law of demand. So what is the law is there? Okay, other things are being the equal, okay, are constant. So when price of the commodity increases, okay, commodity of the increases, okay, demand for it fall. Okay, so demand for it will be fall. Okay, so and so when price of the commodity decreases, okay, so demand for it rises. Okay, it will be they have the opposite directions is there. Okay, opposite directions it will be they have the so one of the commodity of the prices, and another one it will be they have the came for in the demand. So it will be they have the opposite directions. Okay, that is the one of the most important. Okay, there is a negative relationship. Okay, negative relationship. So one it will be they have the going for in the positive flow, and another one it will be came for in the negative flow. So that is the opposite direction. That is the okay between the demand for a commodity and it is the price. Okay, that is called for in the like so law of demand. Next one students. Okay, fourth one, question number fourth. So what do you mean by price velocity of demand? Okay, price velocity of demand, it is also it will be came for in the like most important so repeated of the that one questions. Okay, so this one fourth one also so most important of the this one topic. Okay, so answer is okay, price velocity of demand is a so measures of the responsiveness of the demand for a goods to the changes in it prices. Okay, so what will be response is there? Okay, responsiveness means that so it is the measures. Okay, so what will be the change for in the like price? Okay, first price, so that means we have called for in the delta q divided by delta p into p divided by q. So this is the use for in the formula. Okay, so PED is equal to delta q divided by delta p into p divided by q. So this is the one of the formula for so price velocity of the demand. Okay, then one so last one most important of the this one chapter. So mention the two different approaches of approach so which explain the consumer behavior. Okay, so first one there are two approaches is there. One is ordinal utility approach or analysis, and another one ordinal approach. Okay, are ordinal utility approaches. Okay, cardinal utility, it will be explained for the law of diminishing marginal utility. So explaining, okay, or theory of consumer behavior, or it will be explaining for the like a law of diminishing marginal utility concept. And ordinal utility, it will be explained for the like a indifference curves. Okay, indifference curves it will be explaining. So that is the one of the different between the cardinal and ordinal. So cardinal means it will be particular of wants or particular of commodity they have consumed so then it will be they have the like a consideration of in the like a numbers, numerical numbers. So for example, a glass of water, okay, like an apples, okay, so apple number 1, apple number 2, util number 1, util number 2, so that like, okay, so that is the measurement of the like a util 1, util 2. So that is the one of the concept of a cardinal utility approach or analysis. Then ordinally it means that it is the take of the place. Okay, first prize, second prize, third, or so first place, second place, then third place. So that is the one of the concept of ordinal utility. So both of utility they have called for in the like approaches to explaining for in the consumer behaviors. Okay, so this is the so most important for in the second chapters. Okay, it will become for in the fixed number of so 2 plus 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 marks. It will become for in the this one video helpful for in the your examinations. Okay, so thank you everyone. Namaste.